Welcome back to BudgetTravelerChris.com. We're on the way to working on the motorhome in Sooke today. We're going to put the rear tires on. We got the rear brakes all bled. Clean fluid to the rear wheel cylinders, but they're still not working. So we're going to take off the front wheels and try and get the front disc brakes working a bit, since they do 60% of the work. So stay tuned for more new and exciting videos with the RV project. Well, ironically, there's a bunch of RVs there that are all for sale. You can see the cloud cover here that's out towards Sooke that we're heading towards. Hopefully it'll be a little nicer out there, and we will be in a little nicer weather. But here's the road that goes to Sooke. It's a new bypass we're taking. Beginning of what they call the Sooke on the road to Sooke, BC. So stay tuned, everybody. So we're going to go work on the RV today. Oh, beautiful Sooke, BC. Well, hopefully it's beautiful, not raining. Keep our fingers crossed. Welcome back to Sooke, BC, where we're at the 83 Ford E350. Putting on the rear tires now after we bled the rear brakes and got nice clean brake fluid to the back brakes now. So we're going to jack these bad boys up and do up these lug nuts. Well, she's getting dark pretty fast now. It gets dark here around 4:30 now. We're almost at the shortest day of the year, which is December 21st. So we've got the trusty air tools here, and we're going to tighten these bad boys up here. As you can see, these are left-hand thread actually. So the left-hand thread is opposite to the right-hand thread. And there they are. They're all tightened up, and that's how long it takes when you got air tools. Gotta love it. Well, we got the tire on. All the tires are on this beast now. Now we've got to tackle the front brakes. The front brakes are next, and we'll have these working a little better next time we come out here to Sooke. So stay tuned to Budget Traveler, because you never know where we're going to be or who we're going to see on Budget Traveler.